That pint is about 450 milliliters, roughly 10% of all the blood you have, and your body notices the loss almost instantly.
That pint is about 450 milliliters, roughly 10% of all the blood you have, and your body notices the loss almost instantly. But here's what most donors never realize. By giving that pint away, you might actually be doing your own body a favor. Stay with me. It begins the moment the needle finds a vein. Dark red blood starts flowing out, one drop at a time, into the collection bag. Inside, you carry around 5 liters of blood, a living river feeding every cell, every organ, every inch of you, right now. It delivers oxygen, carries away waste, fights infection, and keeps you warm. Lose too much, and your body simply can't function. So when 10% starts draining away, pressure sensors in your blood vessels light up, lose too much, and sound the alarm. These sensors, called baroreceptors, detect the falling pressure and instantly fire a warning straight to your brain: volume is dropping. Your brain responds in seconds. It orders your blood vessels to tighten, squeezing the remaining blood to keep your pressure steady. Your heart may beat a little faster too, orders your blood vessels to tartar to push the same amount of oxygen through less fluid. For most people, you barely feel a thing. The body compensates so smoothly you can sit, chat, and donate without noticing. But in some donors, the sudden drop outpaces the response, and that's when the room starts to spin and you feel faint. That's why they sit you down, why they hand you juice and a snack, to steady your pressure while your body catches up. Now the cleanup begins. The fastest thing to replace isn't the cells, it's the plasma, the watery fluid your blood floats in. Your body pulls water from your tissues and pours it back into your bloodstream, refilling the lost volume within a day or two. That's exactly why they tell you to drink plenty of fluids. You're literally giving your body the raw material to refill the tank. But plasma is the easy part. You've also lost around 2 trillion red blood cells, and those are far harder to replace. Your kidneys notice the drop in oxygen-carrying cells and release a hormone with a powerful job: erythropoietin. This hormone races to your bone marrow, the soft factory deep inside your bones, and gives a single command: make more. Your marrow kicks into overdrive, churning out fresh red blood cells faster than normal to rebuild what you gave away. It's an impressive feat, but it isn't fast. Fully replacing those red cells takes your body about 4 to 6 weeks. That's the real reason you can't donate whole blood again for 8 weeks. Missing those red cells, your marrow needs the time to catch up. There's also a hidden cost: iron. Each donation carries away around 200 milligrams of it, locked inside your red cells. Rebuilding that iron can take weeks to months, which is why donors are urged to eat iron-rich foods: red meat, beans, leafy greens. While your body rebuilds, your pint begins a second life. It's rushed to a lab and carefully separated into its parts. Whole blood is split into 3: red cells, plasma, and platelets, because different patients need very different things. That means your single donation doesn't just help one person. It can be split to save up to 3 different lives. Your red cells might go to a surgery patient, or someone bleeding from a serious accident, desperate for oxygen-carrying blood. Your plasma could help a burn victim, or someone whose blood can't clot, sealing wounds that would otherwise never close. Your platelets might go to a cancer patient, whose chemotherapy has wiped out their own ability to stop bleeding. From your arm, to a bag, to a stranger you'll never meet, your blood does something your body makes more of for free.
So what does all this do for you? More than you'd think you'll never meet. First, every donation comes with a small free health check. They measure your blood pressure, your pulse, and your iron levels, and they screen your blood for infections you may not know about. Second, that forced rebuild gives your bone marrow a workout, prompting your body to generate a fresh supply of young blood cells. Some studies even suggest that regularly lowering your iron stores may be linked to certain health benefits, though scientists are still exploring why. There's an effect no scan can measure: the simple knowledge that a part of you is keeping someone else alive. All of it from a process that takes about 10 minutes, costs you nothing, and your body completely replaces within weeks. Next time you see a blood drive, now you know exactly what happens inside you. Maybe roll up a sleeve.